Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the MacBook Neo, which I purchased 2 months before. Within 2 months, I have dipped it in rain and had the major components replaced. So this may be one of those MacBooks which was water damaged, and recently, I've got it back from the service center. And I just wanted to share my opinions on, how a long-term Windows user have switched to such a machine, and how I have made it water damaged, and I had to wait about like a month to get it back. So the service center experience was not good. I mean, I don't wish it on anybody. There's some shady things that Apple does with the service center. I mean, not as a service center, but as the Apple service center support. There is a number that Apple gave you to call their support, and when it's related to the parts delay and the shipment, they will transfer you to a different department. And my experience was not good. Maybe yours is different. I'm just going to share my opinions. Maybe I'm thinking about splitting this into 2 or 3 different videos. But yeah, the reason for starting this channel is I wanted to share my opinions on tech. I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for a long time. I mean, about 5 to 6 years. When I was in college, I started a channel, and it got about a few views and such, but I didn't pursue it. Right now, I'm a software developer. I'm a .NET engineer, and I'm keen on tech, AI, the codings, all the news about tech, the recent AI boom, the RAM prices, everything. So it at a point where I wanted to start this channel, and I'm recording it in a front camera on my smartphone. So I know, a cheap mic. So going on, I'll make sure to invest in better gear and give it a better tune up for the channel. But for the time being, it's almost like 11 o'clock here at night, and just wanted to get the information what I wanted to say out there to the world. And I think, what better way to do it than the YouTube, the good old YouTube. So this is a channel where it's going to be raw opinions. I know that there can be mistakes made from my end, but this is purely my opinions on what my experience is, how to do certain things for the newcomers to the tech. I know people, even a 5-year-old can do better coding than most of us. And also, we've been recently using major tools for doing coding works as well. So there is a lot of things keep on changing in the tech world, and it's really difficult to keep track of it. So this is going to be such a channel where whatever things that I understand, a small bits and pieces put together on a straightforward YouTube to get it out to the world. And hope you may like it. If you think certain informations or certain opinions are not up to the mark, or you may have a different opinions, feel free to add it to the comments. I'll make sure to reply back to your comments and such. I'm not expecting to blow this out of the park, out of the water, kind of a YouTube channel. This is probably a genuine sort of things. Maybe a few subscribers, maybe a few views, but yeah. See you on the next one. I'll make sure to start with my experience on owning the MacBook Neo, and then I will go about my service center experience on replacing the parts, and then I'm gonna make another one on how difficult it was to switch from a Windows machine to a Mac. I mean, even though it's a Neo, it's a great machine, but I'm going to do a separate video on that part. So stay tuned and yeah, subscribe. Thank you.